Right, it works. This is good. This is good. Come on. I'm back. Right. How's it going, everyone? It's Harvey from Two Wheel Review, and it's been quite a long time since I last posted a video. The weather in England is starting to get a little bit nicer now. Spring is on its way, and I thought today I'd share my new addition to the Yamaha Mt07. So I was recently looking at exhaust systems of what to get for the Mt07. A lot of manufacturers make them. You've got Akrapovic, Yoshimura, Arrow, SC Project, just to name a few. And I found it pretty hard, to be honest. You're looking at about £600 to £800 for a full system. And personally, I wanted to find a really good condition second-hand exhaust system. So I was looking on eBay, and luckily I came across this, an SC Project CRT full exhaust system. Now it retails for about £800. Luckily, I managed to find one second-hand on eBay for $330. It's a pretty good value. I've got to admit, it does sound good. So basically today I'm going to go through a few sound checks of the exhaust. I think I've got some videos of the stock can, which is just terrible, which I can try and contrast it to. But also we'll head out on the road, have a little bit of fun with someone else who's going to be riding the bike. And yeah, have some fun, show you guys the exhaust system. First thing I will say though, it decreases so much weight having this SC Project. The stock one has a massive catalytic converter at the bottom that just weighs an absolute ton. I did notice though, chucking this exhaust system on, it really reduced the weight. I haven't remapped the bike, which is recommended, but to be honest, I ran a full Arrow exhaust system on a Yamaha WR125X for 20,000 miles with no problems. I never even checked the valves on that bike, so I'm taking a bit of luck here. Anyway, let's start her up, have a bit of fun, head out on the road and show you guys what she sounds like. Loud. Literally, you can only ride it for about half an hour and your ears start to bleed. I'll get a view from the back just so I can show the true sound. It's too loud. It didn't even come with a baffle, so I'm a bit screwed. I think I'm waiting for the police to come right now, so I'm a bit hesitant. I can't hear anything now, but hopefully that's given you a good idea as to what an SC Project CRT full system sounds like with no baffle. Too loud, too loud. Bit of a bump there. So I don't know if you can actually hear me now, but a couple of additions I've recently made to the bike. Set of Renfold bars, same height, just slightly wider. Renfold grips as well, because the previous grips on this, the standard, are absolutely just slippy. They're so crap, so definitely change those out. And the Puig short sports screen works an absolute treat, keeps all the wind off your chest and just elevates it through the helmet, which really helps with long distance riding. Tail tidy as well, and that's pretty much been it. Looking to get some new levers soon and possibly some rear sets, because the standard pegs, not too fancy really. I've just stopped off at Barnstormer in Alton on the way back, and guess whose bike we have here? It's Baron's R1M. It looks flipping amazing in person. This exhaust just turns you into a prick. It really does. There's no other way of putting it. You just turn into an absolute dick. There's no way to have this exhaust and be a nice guy.